Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Today we are going to see the unboxing of OnePlus 7, the most awaited and most trending in the market. The phone I am unboxing is OnePlus 7 mirror grey color 8GB RAM variant and 256GB of storage. The phone is available in two different colors, red and mirror grey. I'm so excited to see what's there inside the box. Let's not wait anymore, let's open the mystery box. Oh my god, the signature color of OnePlus. Before we take the phone out, let's see what's there inside this pack. As expected, it has a flexible and a transparent back cover with it. I think it will be very durable. It's looking good. I really like it. Let's keep it aside. Oh my god, it's seriously very flexible. I can trust it. What else is there inside? Yes, the OnePlus sticker and a user manual. What else? It's a card. Let's keep them aside. And we have the SIM pin. It's of good quality. That's fine. Now it's time to take the phone out. Oh my god, seriously, it's looking so good. I love it. Simply amazing. Come on. Wow. It looks so good in hands. It's very thin. The bezels are looking good. It has a charging port in the bottom and the speakers are there. It's a good design, similar to OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6s. It has a dual camera. Yes, let's see what's there in the box. It's a dash charger. It charges very fast. The phone comes out with 3700 mAh and the charger is a 5V 4A charger. I think the cable should be long enough. Yes, it is. It's of good quality. And the both ends are covered with a protector. It's time to switch on the phone. I can't wait anymore. The signature OnePlus logo. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't wait. Come on. Yes, here it is. I'm skipping the steps to save your time. I just want to jump to the home page. Come on, man. Come on. I can't wait. Come on, come on. Oh my god. The animation is damn super. I really like it. It's awesome, yaar. Amazing. Yes, I like it. It's very fast and the touch is so good. You will love it. It's good. Let's quickly jump onto the settings and see what's the configuration. To summarize, it has Optic AMOLED 6.41-inch display, Snapdragon 855 Qualcomm processor, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It has 48 megapixel dual camera, in-display fingerprint and face unlock features. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.